how to delete credit card AutoFill in Safari on iPhone X. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to Safari. Here in Safari, in general section, you can see here the AutoFill. Okay, you can tap this and you can see here the save credit card. And you can tap the save credit card and you can see the credit card you save. So to delete or remove this credit card in your Safari, okay, you'll have to do is tap the edit button on the upper right side on your screen and select the credit card. And after that, tap the delete button on the upper left side on your screen. And the pop-up below are show, and are you sure you want to delete the selected credit card? So okay, you'll have to do is tap the delete button to remove or delete the credit card. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully delete credit card AutoFill in Safari on iPhone X.